So here we are on Facebook, and the first tool we're going to go over is the Add Facebook Friends feature. Now, before we actually get into adding Facebook Friends, it's important to understand that the software was designed to mimic natural behavior patterns. So whatever you would manually do on your keyboard naturally, the software is going to automate that process. But nobody would naturally send out, 100 friend invites in 60 seconds. So the software is not going to do that. All that's going to do is get your account flagged, get you blocked, get you shut down, all the stuff that we don't want to happen, right? The complete opposite. So to add Facebook friends, first thing we need to do is we need to find content that our ideal customers, our ideal prospects, clients are engaging with. The more relevant the content to what you have to offer, the better higher quality the audience is going to be. So in this case, we're on Jillian Michaels' fitness page here, and let's say this content post is exactly what my ideal audience is engaging with. I'm going to click on this number here. This shows me the actual individuals that engaged with this post. And once I'm at this window here, I'm going to run the Chrome extension. Now, when this window comes up, I'm going to click on Add Facebook Friends. And it's going to modify the top of this window. There's a couple different options here. The delay is the number of seconds you want in between friend requests. Again, we don't want to send a friend request every second. We want to mimic what people would naturally do. So I'm going to enter in 10 for this example, but ideally we would do 20 seconds. That's what we recommend in between friend requests. Now the total here is the total number of friend requests you want to attempt to send out. The maximum here is 1,500 per session, but in this quick demo, I'm just going to enter 10. And then we're going to click start and let the tool do its thing. It's going to find friends. It's going to automatically send out the request. And if you come up with any, or if you see any pop-ups or any warnings or any messages, the software will take care of all of those pop-ups appropriately to keep your account safe. So there it is, 10 friend invites have been processed, and when it's finished here, it'll tell you how many of them were successful. So we had 5 successful requests sent. Now the success rate is going to depend on your audience, whether they're international, whether they're domestic, whether you have any mutual friends in common, and all the different things that Facebook takes into consideration when it decides which friend requests it lets go through and which ones get warnings or pop-ups or suggestions. And that's basically all there is to automating the friend request process. Now you don't have to sit here and watch it. You can let this run in the background while you're doing other things on your computer, or you can even set it up to send 1,000 friend requests while you sleep. But that's how you use the Add Facebook Friends feature. Now we're going to cover how to delete pending requests. Once you get up to 1,000 pending requests, Facebook won't allow you to send any more friend requests until you either delete those pending requests or they start being accepted or declined. So to delete your pending requests, what we're going to do is click this button here that says pending requests. And that's going to bring us over to the mobile version of Facebook. And when we're on this mobile version here, we're just going to click this button again to actually launch the tool. That's going to count all the requests that we have, and it's going to go through its process to automatically delete all the pending requests. So there we go, 36 pending requests were automatically deleted, and I'm going to click this link here to take me back to the desktop version. Now, if you don't see this link after your pending requests are completed, you can just type facebook.com into your browser and you'll be taken back to this desktop version of Facebook.